Mankind have long marveled at the mysterious and amazing beauty of Mother Nature. And if nature could talk, it too would gush at the dazzling wonders mankind has built upon its landscape. Mankind intertwined with nature, flourishing over time. A city carefully built by our great ancestors. This is the World Heritage City of Andong. It was springtime in the city, and a wonderful adventure was waiting ahead of me.
Wow, it's beautiful. I miss the green. Really, really cool. Most foreigners go to Seoul, Busan, Jeju, but I really wish they could come to see the beauty, other parts of Korea, like Andong. Absolutely beautiful. Look at this. It's so green, so many trees, and nature's just...
Andong, a city geographically located at the heart of Korea. This special city is said to have been the cultural and spiritual center of the country since long ago. To find out why, I decided to take a little trip. Have you heard of the term sunbi? Well, if the English have gentlemen, then the Koreans have sunbi. The sunbis were educated and wise leaders who fulfilled their duty to society by setting a good example and being fair to the poor. We refer to their exemplary actions as noblesse oblige. These Korean classical scholars followed the path of noblesse oblige, and Andong was at the center of their footsteps.
And this is a massive bridge. Look at this view. It's incredible. Usually when I travel, I go to bridges, famous sidewalks, pavilions, but this is a first. I've never ever walked on water. Look, it just goes on and on. It's like walking on water. It's not every day you get to have this type of feeling of freedom. I definitely feel free here. There's no boats, no fishermen. Just me out here. There's nobody here. Just me and the bridge. I don't know who thought of this, but they're a genius. I heard Andong Lake was built as a result of dam construction. It's hard to believe that one dam could create so much water. Absolutely beautiful.